In today's video, we are going to show you how to zoom in and out in Milanote, which is super useful if you want to navigate your boards faster and work more efficiently. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then we are going to use the method 1, which is zoom using your mouse or trackpad. Now, if you are using Windows, I want you to press the Control button plus the Windows button. If you are using Mac, that's going to be Command button plus the Mac button. And then if you combine those two keys, I want you to scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in. You see that? And then of course you can simply scroll down to zoom out. It's super simple. Now, if you are on a laptop, just pinch in or out on your trackpad to zoom smoothly. You see that the view is increasing, right? So for example, 103%, 161, 258, and 300. That's going to be the maximum for now. And the lowest is around 25%. Now, if you are going to use the keyboard shortcuts, Milanote also supports simple keyboard shortcuts. Now, all I have to do is super simple. Press the Control plus the positive sign or the plus button to zoom in. And of course, Control plus the minus icon to zoom out. Now, on Mac, use Command plus or Command minus. It's super simple. These are perfect if you want quick, precise zooming. All right? Now, zooming out helps you see the bigger picture of ideas while zooming in. Lets you focus on details like notes, images, or tasks, which is kind of useful for brainstorming or for planning large projects. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to zoom in and zoom out in Milanote. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.